Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
This is the Airstream Atlas, a Class B Plus camper van. Let's take a minute and go over the specs. It has a 3.0-liter 6-volt turbo engine with 188 horsepower. You'll get 16 to 18 miles per gallon. The length is 24 feet 9 inches, so this van is perfect for state and national park campgrounds that have length restrictions. It will hold 20 gallons of fresh water, and you've got a 31-gallon gray water tank and a 27-gallon black tank. This unit features a tankless water heater. It comes with a 400-watt solar panel and a 3.2 kilowatt diesel generator, so this is a great option for boondocking. There's a ton of outside storage for your van. There are handleless compartments to keep the sleek design Airstream and Mercedes are both known for. But wait until you see the inside. It's the luxury and sophisticated style you expect from an Airstream in just a more compact space. The living room is on a small slide to give you a little bit more room when you're parked. There's a short couch and a Murphy bed that's behind the couch. That makes for a quick transition from living room to bedroom. The kitchen has a 2-burner stovetop and a microwave. There's a 9.1 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. To keep you cool, it features a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. This van also has something very special, a full 3-piece residential bathroom. Let's take a look.
So we're going to start in the back here on the outside. They don't have all the basement doors unlocked, so we're just going to start with this one here. You got a little light in there. You can switch it to come on when you open the door. Motion detector light. Then you have more storage underneath here. These are actually compartments. And there's a couple more up that way. We'll go around to the other side, where we'll find the hookups for your power and your wet bay. Got an outdoor shower right there as well. And then over here is more storage. 2 bins of storage. They're nice size too. It's an all-around pretty nice looking RV. And you can see on the top here there's a nice awning, and you have the seamless windows in this rig too. Okay, so we have a nice cab area here with your display in the middle. Nice size display. And you have a little bit of storage up above. Then also up here, there's a sound bar. You got your information center here. You turn all your lights on here, your slides. You can look at how full your tanks are, that kind of thing. And then over here, we have another location with your slide out and such. More storage down here. And then you have a battery power on and off right there as well for the rig. And then on this side, we have another controller, a smaller one. And then this is a nice size Murphy bed area. You got this big couch, and then you also have this little bit of a mirror here. Coming over to this side, you have a nice shelf, which has a television in it. this televator here. We're not going to put it up because we don't want to knock over their stuff here. And this is the table they have to set up for in here. And you also have a couple more drawers over here for storage, remotes. There's your circuitry. Then up above here, we got some more storage. Smoke detector, ventilation. Over here you have a nice skylight in the ceiling.
Yeah, and that closes.
And then back over this way we have the small kitchen area, and you have another control center there as well. I got an induction burner here, a nice size sink here, the telescoping head of the faucet, and then behind here there's a little trash can area too. Nice and hidden away there. And you have some more stored underneath for your sponges, silverware, and such, pots and pans. Here's your silverware. It even comes with a little tray for your silverware. Cutting board that comes out. Gives you a little more space for your counter. And then this way, when you're driving, this locks it and these drawers won't be flying out on you when you're making turns. And then you have this nice bathroom here. It's a full-size bathroom. It's not a wet bath. A lot of these usually have a wet bath in them. Toilet is plastic. And I'm not too fond of how the toilet paper rolls like right on top of it, but then again, this door's closed, so that's not an issue when you're sitting there. Then you have a sprayer there for your toilet as well. Towel rack, a little more storage up above for towels and such. And look at this shower. Very nice, very, very nice. Medicine cabinet. This opens up. Another information center here. Nice size sink. I like how you're able to bend over and not hit your head on the cabinetry. Some more storage underneath. And we come over to this side of the bathroom. And just look at all that. Linens for the bed. And this is a closet with these couple drawers in it. So, very nice rig overall. And let's not forget this other part of the kitchen here, where we have the microwave. We have a nice sized fridge here. Fridge on top, freezer on the bottom. And a pantry area. So that's it for this rig.
Thanks everyone for watching the video. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section below. If you liked the video, got something out of it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much.